That one kid's probably not playing still. So.
If only if you had one, dude. If only you had one. If you have one or not.
Fuck out of here.
You just ate it too?
Dude, that kid just leaning on the door with an MP7. Kill yourself.
Eating it? Eating it? Oh!
And it's
He shoots at all the time those guys. I literally just saw the kid and I get axed in the fucking forehead. Dragging him.
Dude!
Fuck this kid, dude. I hit so many shots. Don't peek your head at me, boy.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, that kid got smoked, right?
You can assassinate me, but no, I'm too quick. Sorry, bud.
What? What fucking game are we playing?
Dude, that... Stop leaning.
I can't anymore. Fuck that carry sticks kid. Fuck that. Yeah, he just he ran a circle around there.
Oh, you saw kid crates. This kid crates.
You just saw a kid by crate. How the fuck did he know?
What? What did it ricochet off his fucking helmet? What the fuck?
I'm gonna nosk you and then reload after. How I nosk you?
Oh! Oh! Off the top rope! Off the top rope!
DSR is so slow.
Oh! Oh, what's that kill?
I got another one. Com error. What the fuck is good when you get host? It's a video.
Oh! Smoke, baby! Good night. Check that stream, fam.
This kid's gonna get a quad headshot feed with his fucking Vito jet.
How long has it been?
Nobody's good.
3.5, almost 4 hours.
What?
Took me to get 1,500 points.
What'd you? How many of you?
Be right back. Don't worry about it. I'll be right back.
Fuck you, guys.
I'll get a drink.
You got somewhere to be, you know, guy?
I'll entertain the stream. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Going on stream. It's Dom and Nick.
www.
Back to the music and being seen.
Are you? And I'm so sorry. I cannot dream tonight. I need somebody and always.
He's not defusing though. He's crouch walking. Okay. That's him.
Oh, you fucking kidding me?
You got him. 30 bullets. No, he ran out of time. He's out of time. He's out of time. Oh my god.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I think so. I think so, dude. That's what happened. Oh shit.